Klarna offers virtual cards, including one-time use cards, for secure online shopping. Here's how to activate and use. 1. Step-by-step guide. Open the Klarna app. Download the Klarna app or log in at klarna.com. Go to Wallet or Payments. Tap the Wallet tab at the bottom. Create a virtual card. Select one-time card or Klarna card, depending on your plan. Enter the exact purchase amount, including shipping and taxes. Choose your payment plan. Pay in 4, pay later, etc. Complete verification. Klarna may run a quick approval check, soft credit check for some plans. Once approved, your virtual card details, card number, expiry, CVV, will appear instantly. Use the card. Copy the card details and use them at checkout on any website that accepts Visa or MasterCard. You can also add the virtual card to Apple Pay or Google Pay. Important tips. One-time cards are generated for specific amounts and expire after use. Always check your spending limit in the app. Klarna charges may apply depending on your payment plan.